Yo, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. I miss saying that. Anyway, in today's episode, we are going to open and unbox a pair of sneakers that I've been waiting for. Super excited about this. A new colorway of one of my favorite silhouettes of 2021. Tara, let's go. Before we open it, guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. I also have 3 channels. This is the main one. I have a secondary channel on NBA cards, nakalink yun sa baba. I have a third channel on watches, nakalink din yun sa baba. By the way, this is the new G-Shock smartwatch. It has Android Wear OS. It's a really nice watch. So I'll do a video on it on my watch channel really soon. So anyway, tuloy na natin. Maraming salamat to Shoe Freak PH for pulling through with me on this one. This is the Off-White. Ano nga ba pangalan nito? I forgot what it's called. This is the Off-White Out of Office. So I've opened 2 sneakers like this already. You guys saw the black version, picture somewhere here. And you guys saw the blue version, picture or video clip somewhere here. So this one, akala ko, to be honest, it would be very... Wait. Akala ko shattered backboard color siya, black and orange. But apparently, it is orange and blue. But I'm not complaining, seeing as I really just love this silhouette. This is by far my favorite silhouette of 2021. Sa lahat ng mga sapatos na nabuksan ko, itong style na to, this is my absolute favorite. You know? Bam! Absolutely sick. To be honest, it would have been much better they kept it as black and not as blue. But hey, that's the vision of Virgil. Oh man, sucks, no? Really passed away too early. But anyway, so yan. This is our latest sneaker. This is the out of office in orange and in blue. Super nice premium quality construction. Super comfortable, nice to wear. Also has that signature off-white zip tie. But ngayon, premium na siya, diba? It's in blue color. I've been a sucker for more the off-white sneakers than the collabs. And you guys have seen that on this channel, so I'm pretty consistent. So this one is a great addition to our sneaker rotation. To those wondering how it is on feet, it is one of the most comfortable designer brand sneakers, period. It's so much more comfortable than Dunks. It's so much more roomier. The cushioning is so much better. It's better for people who have wide feet. It's not too narrow. It is just an absolute beast of an everyday leather sneaker. I'm super thrilled, super happy to add this colorway to my collection. In fact, if titingnan niyo yung sneaker rotation ko for the last few weeks, it has mostly been sneakers like this in different colors. So what do you guys think of the Off-White Out of Office sneaker? Let me know in the comment section down below. I'll try to reply to as many of you as possible. Also, at this point in the vlog, I'll bring you guys along with me because nagbukas ang Sole Republiq over at Unbox GH. So we'll take a look at their shop, take a look at all the sneakers that are available there, what you can buy, and more. So tara, let's go! Shoutout kay Vegeta na painting na nandun sa likod ko. So, nandito tayo sa Sole Republiq sa Unbox GH. So, makikita nyo, nag-setup na sila. They have a couple of Dunks, Jordan 1s. Andito yung Air Max na pata. Ito yung brown. Ganda, oh. Sobrang panalo. Tapos they also have the one in blue. Over here. Ito, nag-order ako nito sa size ko. So, what you can do, kung wala yung size nyo dito, you can check out the shoes over here. Diba, yan ang hanapin yung muka. Tapos, tanungin nyo kung may size nyo. Kung wala yung size nyo, they can order it for you. Antayin lang kayo bago dumating. So, meron din sila yung mga sakays. So, ito yung fragment sakay na blue. Ganda, oh. They also have the one in gray. Ito reminds me a lot of the New Balance 990s that I wear often. So, if I'm going to get like a sakay, this would probably be it. Ito, I think, sa ano to eh. Collab yata to with cloth eh. Collab to, di ba? With cloth?
Yes, sir.
Ayun. So kung gusto niyo medyo mas maingay na kulay, a little bit louder, you guys can offer this one. So, but ako if I were to get one, most likely, yan yung kukunin natin. Ayan, so madami-dami pa iba dito. They also, of course, the Yeezys. Different sizes, different 350s. And of course, yung pinaka gusto ng mga tao ngayon, yung mga slides. Diba? So you can order any of those here at Sole Republiq sa Unbox GH. Tapos ako naman, ito yung damage for the day. Sa vlog ko na lang i-unbox, pero ba tawag dito? Nike Air Force 1 Low Undefeated 5 on it. Ito ba yung sinuot ni Lebron? Ito yun,
yes,
di ba?
Sir, kay Lebron.
Kaya pala. So yan, uwi natin to para sa atin to. Boom! Okay, obviously we're back. Abangan yung unboxing ng binili ko from Sole Republiq in the next video. Oh, wait. I'll show you something before we end. So, over here, apart from that Vegeta drawing na pinakita ko kanina, we have the December pack of the World Balance collaboration with Secret Fresh, of course, DJ Big Boy Cheng. So, this is a trio of sneakers featuring the Ice Perm silhouette ni DJ Big Boy Cheng. So, yun yung pink color, suede, some sort of like canvas material. Let's take a look at the next one. Ito naman is black. So cleaner, easier to wear, more subtle. You have the Ice Perm logo there, as well as here at the back. And then we have the last one, which is green. Very Christmassy. So yan yung green, no? So let me know which color you guys like the most. Comment kayo sa baba. Is it green? Is it black? Or is it pink? Nakikita niyo ba yung setup na yun? Meron akong ring light. Well, softbox na light. Pati yung computer, meron akong gagawin na interview. So interview na ako ni Monis Berto sa show niya na Teka Muna on Signal TV5. Pagtataka kayo, Carlo, kahit Sabado ng gabi nagtatrabaho ka. Well, if you're enjoying it, doesn't feel like work. And Mon is one of my favorite bosses and human beings in the planet. So of course, I'll say yes. Anyway, with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this very quick vlog for today. We were able to unbox a sneaker. We were able to do an on-feet review of it. We were able to check out Sole Republiq. And nakita natin yung latest collection ni DJ Big Boy Cheng. As usual, this is Carlo signing out. Peace, God bless, what's up? Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat. Boom.